self-knowledge is the way out. We really need to understand who we really are once we recognize the problems, because the solution lies within who we really are. The only way you can do that is if you have enough knowledge of yourself, how your own consciousness works, and how to bring that consciousness into a point of balance. The following is an inscription on a statue in Greece. From the Greek mystery traditions, the school of consciousness where people studied and reflected on the nature of consciousness and self. Heed these words, ye who wish to probe the depths of nature. If you do not find within yourself that which you seek, neither will you find it outside of yourself. If you ignore the wonders of your own house, how do you expect to find other wonders? In you is hidden the treasure of treasures. Know thyself, and you will know the universe and the gods. The statement reflects a fundamental core truth about the nature of reality that we are embedded in. It says, if you know the self, then you will know the universe. Moving from the very small to the very large, knowledge of one reflects the other. This says something about the nature of reality. It says that our reality is self-similar across scales. It is fractal in nature. It is holographic in nature. This is a social experiment. List the 3 things of value most in your life. 3 things that are most critical to your quality of life. You will get extremely diverse answers from family, health, money, possessions, religion, just general concepts in life. If you did this social experiment, you would not get back the answer's truth from very many people. People have lost the idea that truth is valuable, that it means something in relationship to the experience of their lives, that it dictates the quality of that which they experience in their lives. These 2 things are fundamentally interwoven and cannot be separated from each other. When we are in alignment with what is and what is true, and we speak the truth, and we live according to truth, natural law and moral law, then the quality of our experience improves, and we don't suffer. If, however, the nature of our lives varies in accordance with what is truth, then we experience suffering in proportion to the amount that we go off the path of truth. That is a fundamental law of nature, just like gravity. Doesn't matter if you believe in it, if you step off a cliff, you're going to experience the result of what the law of gravity does to the body. It is irrelevant if you believe in the natural law because it is in place and you are bound by it. You can choose to ignore it, but you're going to suffer in proportion to the amount you ignore that law. And then there is nescience versus ignorance. Nescience, not knowing or understanding something that you would not be reasonably expected to know or understand. Ignorance, deliberately turning aside from something that you can be reasonably expected to know or understand. You are choosing to ignore that which is right in front of your face. or which is able to be understood and taken in by you with minimal effort. This is an unbelievable amount. There is an unbelievable amount of information out in the world on every topic imaginable. Yet there are still people that just do not want to know. They do not want to look at the truth in what we have become. Something humanity does not need to stay in, this state of consciousness, for really any moment longer. The knowledge is all there. It is a matter of if we will reach out and take it. It is also a matter of once we understand the truth, how much we are willingly able to fearlessly bring it to others. How many of us would be willing to speak the truth into existence and bring it to other people who need to understand it, whether that may be uncomfortable for us or not? Family members may be in opposition to information you want to look at. That dynamic will also be addressed.